What we're showing you is a restored 216 National Cash Register. This machine we have been completely gone through. It's fully restored. We just got this in. Somebody else has restored it, and I might add they did a really nice job. Now the 216, most of you would be familiar with the 313, which is known as the candy store register. This was the predecessor to it, 216 to 313. This is a little bit fancier machine, and what they did is on the 313 they actually had stamped keys here, right, where these are the old style cast iron, which is an L here. The thing has been completely plated. It's got brand new key checks in it, brand new flags. Everything in here has been plated, as well as this machine has all of its original counters. Everything has been taken apart. This machine runs really super smooth. I'll show you how you can, for those of you who don't know, the way you get the drawer out of these is there's a pin right here, and it's sitting right in here. I'm pulling it up, okay? And the drawer's been done, the rails are plated, as well as all the hardware. That tells you somebody really took a lot of time to do this. We got this from a friend of ours. I'm gonna pull that up, put this back in. Nice and smooth, new key checks. Super, super nice, rings the bell. It's got little Roman columns right in here. And as you see, it's got the nice big front here. Most of them just, they don't have this special little piece. Been done, I believe this is in chrome, could be nickel, but I think it's chrome. Killer little machine. This weighs 70 pounds. It's a heavy little booger. As you see, beautiful. It's ready to go. So if you'd like this, we will get the top sign off of it and put it down here somewhere, and we will get this boxed up and shipped out to you. Good running, going to look great on your counter. I like it in the nickel personally. I've seen so many brass ones. I'm kind of digging the nickel look. Nice, bright, and shiny. Nice early 216. I'm pegging this at about 1909, okay, by the patents under the door. Once again, just a beautiful little register. It's going to look great and works fantastic. For you guys with these barber shops, this is going to look great on the back of that bar, as well as you can use it, right? Even though it only goes up to $1, you make change out of it. People love that stuff. Anyway, you should grab it. It's beautiful, look good anywhere, and it's ready to ship. What do you think, Jeff?
I think it's a no-brainer. Beautiful piece.
Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.